Give me razor, give me sharpener, give me ball, take your meal, take your food, take your umbrella, bring my umbrella. Get up, ready for your school. Take your food. Please give me 1 glass water. Get up. I get up at 7 o'clock. Brush your teeth. Wash your hand, wash your face, wash your mouth. Look at the sun, look at the moon, look at the stars. Watch the TV, switch on the TV. Why are you angry? What is your name? What is your address? When will you come here? When will you call me? You called me back. You called me later. I found you. When will you follow me? A bright room, a difficult question, a clean shirt, a dark room, a pretty dog, a silly cat, an easy question, a dirty shirt, a shy girl, a smart cat, a rich man, a wrong answer, a brave girl, a poor man, a right answer, a narrow road, a wide road. Don't move, don't cry.
মা এই ভালো হয়েছে গো
It is a book. The book is a music book. It is a tower. The tower is on the mountain. They are turtles. The turtles are on the rock. They are candles. The candles are on the cake. Wear the short pants. Wear the shoes. Drink the orange juice. Read the book. Throw the ball. Put the toy in the box. Put your books on the desk. Put the backpack next to the desk. Put the slippers under the bed. Put the boots by the umbrella. Put the toy in the box. Take the toy out of the box. Put the book in the backpack. Take the book out of the backpack. Put the bat in the cage. Take the bat out of the cage. Put the candles in the jar. Take 2 candles out of the jar. Put 1 chocolate candy in the jar. Put 6 coins in the piggy bank. Take 4 coins out of the piggy bank. Put 2 coins in the piggy bank. Take the pencil out of the case. Put the pencil in the drawer. Take the bad apples out of the basket. Put the pillow on the bed. তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।